Hi everyone, welcome to my reading session. Today we are going to read life cycle of a butterfly. Let's start. Spring is the time of year that brings color everywhere. We see bright, colorful flowers all around. The flowers bring very pretty and colorful guests into our gardens. Can you guess who they are? Let's find out. Yes, our beautiful and brightly colored wings friends, the butterfly. We all love pretty butterflies. But do you know where butterflies come from? The life cycle of the butterfly is truly amazing. Let's explore it together. To grow into an adult, they go through many stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Stage 1. The egg. Stage 1. Egg. It all starts with a female butterfly laying her eggs, usually on leaves or the stems of plants. Eggs can be round, oval, or even cylindrical. They can be smooth, bumpy, or wrinkled. It all depends on how the mother butterfly looks. The egg stage is around 3 to 7 days long. That's very short. It takes us a year to become 1 year old. Fun fact, the coolest things about butterfly eggs, especially monarch butterfly eggs, that is, if you look close enough, you can actually see the tiny caterpillar growing inside of it. What do you think comes out of these small eggs? A butterfly? Stage 2. Caterpillar. Well, not exactly. It's a caterpillar. And yes, it's very, very hungry. So all it does in this stage is eat. Isn't it exciting to see caterpillars coming out of the eggs? Butterfly larvae is what we call caterpillars. Now the caterpillars are tiny and looking for food as soon as one is born can be quite hard work. So the mother butterfly needs to lay her eggs on the type of leaf the caterpillar will eat. Fun fact, as the caterpillar grows, its skin becomes too tight. The caterpillar then sheds its skin, revealing a new, larger skin under it. Think of it as a change of clothes. During this stage, they shed their skin 4 or 5 times. Stage 3. Pupa. The pupa stage is one of the coolest stages in the butterfly life. After all that eating and growing up in the last stage, the caterpillar now needs to rest. They form themselves into a pupa. It may look like nothing is going on, but big changes are happening on the inside. And you see a butterfly forming inside this pupa? See, you can see a butterfly in 2 and 3, second and third pupa. Now the caterpillars are short, stubby, and have no wings at all. Inside the pupa, the old body parts go under a lot of change to become the beautiful parts that make up the butterfly. Stage 4. The adult butterfly. Finally, an adult butterfly emerged. But it's not But it's not the time for takeoff just yet, as the wings are first wet, soft and wrinkled. This is because the butterfly has to fit all of its new parts inside of the pupa. The butterfly starts pumping fluids into the wings to make them strong and working. A butterfly can master flying within 3 to 4 hours. And that's the cycle complete and ready to start all over again. Fun fact, the life cycle of a butterfly begins and ends with the adult butterfly. First, lay eggs. First step is to lay the eggs, then the caterpillar, and then it keeps changing, and once it comes out, it's flight time. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more reading sessions. Bye.